Hello children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing our chapter 5th, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Okay, so watch this video carefully up to the end, then you understand better. Now today we are discussing the shapes quadrilaterals. Okay, quadrilaterals, a polygon which has four sides. Okay, like this. Here this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 side, and closed figure is a polygon, and the four side closed figure, which is a polygon, known as quadrilaterals. Okay, now there are many type of quadrilaterals which are we are discussing here. Now we discuss rectangle. Okay, so what is rectangle? A quadrilateral having opposite sides are equal, like this. This is a quadrilateral having opposite sides are equal. These are the marking. When something are equal, we make same mark on both of them. Here this side and this side are equal, so we make this same mark, and this side and this side also equal, so we make the other type of mark. Okay, so a quadrilateral having opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. These are the opposite angles which are also equal. All the angles are right angle. Here all the angles are right angle, that is 90 degree. So this is a rectangle. What are the characteristics of rectangle? The opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite angles are equal. All the angles are right angle. Okay, these are the characteristics, and the opposite sides are parallel also. So there is a two set of one set, and this is the second set of the parallel lines. So this type of quadrilateral is known as rectangle. Okay, so remember this. If we make the diagonal of this type of quadrilateral, then we feel that both the diagonals are equal. The diagonal AC and BD are equal and bisect each other at this intersection point. Okay, these are the characteristic of rectangle, which is a quadrilateral. Okay, now square, a quadrilateral having all four sides are equal, all angles are right angle, both the diagonals are equal and perpendicularly bisect each other. Okay, so what is square? A quadrilateral having all four sides are equal. Here is the mark for same equal sides. Okay, so all the sides are equal and all the angles are right angle, that is opposite sides are equal also, opposite angles are equal also. But here all four sides are equal, all four angles are also equal, and all are right angle. Okay, both the diagonal AC and BD are equal and perpendicularly bisect. This is the right angle, perpendicularly bisect each other. Okay, this diagonal bisecting this diagonal perpendicularly, that is diagonal AC making the angle 90 degree from BD. Okay, so this way we can say that both the diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. This is the characteristic of square. Okay, so remember this. And all the opposite sides are parallel also. This side is parallel to this and this side is parallel to this. So there is two set of parallel side, one set and the second side. So two set of parallel sides. So square having these type of characteristic. Okay. Now parallelogram, a quadrilateral having opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are also equal. This is a quadrilateral having opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. And the diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Both the diagonals bisect each other. These are the characteristic of parallelogram, which is a quadrilateral. Okay. So remember these type of characteristic, then you can understand. Okay. Now the next quadrilateral is rhombus. Okay. A quadrilateral having all four sides are equal. These are the all four sides and which are equal. So we make same sign. Okay. All four sides are equal. Opposite angles are also equal. These are the opposite angles which are equal. Here we make the same sign. Here we make the same different sign. Okay. So the opposite angles are equal. Two set of parallel sides. This and this is a parallel set of sides. And this also parallel set of sides. Okay. So there is two set of parallel sides. Again I repeat, all four sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Two set of parallel sides are there. Okay. And the diagonals are perpendicularly bisects each other. This is the diagonal. AC and BD are the diagonals, and diagonal AC bisect the diagonal BD at O perpendicularly. That is the angle. This angle is right angle. So AC make the right angle from BD. So we can say the diagonals AC and BD are perpendicularly bisect to each other. This is the characteristic property of rhombus. Okay. So remember these characteristics. With the help of these characteristics, you can solve the problem of exercise. Okay. So learn them well. Now the next figure of quadrilateral is trapezium. Okay. So trapezium is a quadrilateral having a pair of two opposite sides is parallel. Here is the trapezium. This is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D having a pair of two opposite sides, this and this, a pair of opposite sides which is parallel. This line is parallel to this. So this type of figure is known as trapezium. Rest of the sides can be perpendicular or make any angle, but the two opposite sides are parallel. This is the necessary condition of trapezium. So how many type of quadrilaterals we are learned today? Rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Okay, these type of quadrilateral are there. One more type of quadrilateral now we learn. Kite. Okay, what type of this? In this type of quadrilateral, two pair of equal adjacent side. These are two adjacent side which are equal. Okay, and the another pair is of equal side is like that. These two are also equal. These two are adjacent side and these two are also adjacent side. So two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Then this type of quadrilateral is known as kite, and the diagonal of this type of figure also perpendicularly bisect each other. But it is not necessary that bisect. Perpendicularly intersect. Better say that they are perpendicularly intersect each other. Okay, at a point. So A, B, C, D is a kite when the two adjacent sides are equal. Two set of adjacent sides are equal. So this type of quadrilateral is known as kite. So we have 6 type of quadrilaterals. Okay, so remember them, learn them well. Okay, or on the basis of these characteristics you can solve your exercise questions. This is your homework. If you have any problem, consult me on my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp. Okay, have a good day.